always was to quit me, baby. I know you've got that evil on your mind.
Hey, Harriet. Yeah, it's me in front of the camera, a little bit different. So we got a good show here. We probably got about 125 cars, according to Jack. And the Vette Set, another event.
Yeah.
So
Came out
Harry's
pretty
going
good.
to do some more shooting, and we'll turn this into a film.
Yep.
Remember that Monday morning? When I knocked upon your door. You have the nerve to tell me, baby. You don't love me anymore.
So check this out. This is Chuck's new C8. He's got the roof off. Check out this beauty. Matching color engine.
Hi, I'm Raul with Vette Set. I drive a 2011 Passport, and I'm enjoying the show today.
All right, man. What do we have going on here, David?
Cleaning crew. I wait for these car shows so I can actually clean my car. See? Pretty good.
Good.
Here we go.
Did you sit? Good girl. Speak, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl.